A unique and sacred grass widely used in Hindu rituals is Durva or Doob grass. It holds such significance that no puja is considered complete without its offering, particularly during Ganesh Puja. Durva has been traditionally included in auspicious ceremonies such as housewarming, mundan or head-shaving ritual, weddings, and other sacred events for centuries. Durva is also known as Amrita, Ananta or Mahaushadhi. The word Durva is derived from the Sanskrit words dur, that which is far, and ava, that which brings closer. Durva symbolizes bringing the divine closer to the devotee. The grass, characterized by its 3 blades, represents the cosmic principles of the primal Shiv, Shakti and Ganesh. According to one belief, when Sita Mata merged into the earth, Bhagwan Sri Ram tried to hold her back, and a few strands of her hair came into his hands. These strands are believed to have transformed into Durva, which is now used in worship rituals. According to the Bhavishya Puran, Durva grass emerged from Sri Hari Vishnu's hands and thighs, or from Vasuki's tail, during the churning of the ocean, Samudra Manthan. When the Mandar Parvat was used as a churning rod to obtain Amrit, nectar of immortality, Bhagwan Sri Vishnu supported it on his thighs. During this process, some strands of hair from his legs fell into the ocean and transformed into Durva due to the churning. It is also believed that the pot of Amrit was placed on Durva, and a few drops of nectar spilled onto it. This made Durva immortal and ever regenerating. No matter how much it is cut, it continues to sprout and grow again. Durva is revered for its unparalleled ability to attract Ganesha's aura, making it a vital offering during his worship. The ritual begins with offering Durva at the Ganesha's feet, gradually moving to other parts of the idol. This sequence is significant as the feet of the idol emit the Ganesha's principles in the highest concentration. The Durva placed here absorbs these divine principles and transfers them to subsequent offerings, amplifying their spiritual potency. The sacred process involves the idol attracting nirguna, meaning formless frequencies, of divine principles. These frequencies are then transformed into saguna, meaning manifested frequencies, within the idol and emitted outward, allowing the devotee to experience heightened spiritual benefits. Moreover, the emission of the deity's principles through Durva helps neutralize Raj, Tam, dominant energies in the environment. This purification effect explains why those affected by negativity or stress often feel a sense of relief and positivity when in contact with Durva. This sacred grass not only deepens spiritual connections, but also fosters peace and balance within the worshipper. Durva grass is deeply revered in Hinduism, not only for its spiritual and ritualistic importance, but also for its references in Vedic scriptures and its extensive use in Ayurveda. Durva finds mentions in Vedic texts as a sacred plant. It is considered auspicious and pure, often used in rituals and fire sacrifices or yajna. In the Atharva Veda, Durva is associated with longevity and protection against negativity. Its 3 blades are said to symbolize the trinity of Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, further underscoring its sacred nature in rituals. When offering Durva to Sri Ganesh, it is customary to pluck the grass in the early morning after prayers, ensuring its purity. It should be washed and then offered as a bundle of 21 blades, as the number 21 is considered auspicious in Ganesh Puja. In Ayurveda, Durva is highly regarded for its extensive medicinal properties and holistic health benefits. Classified as cooling, sheath, astringent, kashai, and healing in nature. Durva is a natural detoxifier and blood purifier, making it effective in treating skin disorders such as rashes, wounds, and acne. Its cooling properties help soothe inflammation, reduce fever, and provide relief from burning sensations in the body. Durva is also beneficial for digestive health, aiding in the treatment of acidity and improving overall digestion. Additionally, it is used in managing diabetes due to its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Its diuretic properties assist in detoxifying the urinary system, while its high antioxidant content supports immunity and overall vitality. In traditional formulations, Durva is often employed to address bleeding disorders, enhance wound healing, and rejuvenate the body, showcasing its versatility as a natural remedy in Ayurvedic medicine. The act of offering Durva grass to Bhagwan Sri Ganesh is a blend of spiritual devotion, Vedic traditions, and Ayurvedic wisdom. It symbolizes a connection with nature and the divine, while also representing a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of body, mind, and spirit. Whether viewed through the lens of mythology, scripture, or holistic medicine, Durva remains an essential element in Sri Ganesh worship, carrying profound significance across multiple dimensions. Durva is believed to draw pure spiritual energies, pavitrak, closer to the devotee, creating a sacred connection. Among the 21 medicinal plants traditionally mentioned in Ganesh Puja for their healing properties, Durva stands out as the easiest to grow and the most accessible. It can thrive even in small pots or trays, making it a convenient choice for devotees. Durva grass is characterized by its long stems and a single root system above the ground, with 3 to 4 nodes sprouting fresh leaves. Remarkably, if uprooted, Durva grass regenerates quickly, symbolizing renewal, resilience, and the cycle of rebirth. In Bhadrapad, a month marked by heavy rains and a higher likelihood of ailments like colds and phlegm, Durva is said to offer preventive benefits in Ayurveda. While its significance may not always be heeded in everyday life, its integration into religious practices ensures widespread adherence, driven by either devotion, bhakti, or fear, meaning bhai. Just as Tulsi is sacred to Lord Vishnu and bil leaves to Lord Shiva, Durva is indispensable in offerings to Bhagwan Sri Ganesh. The 3 blades of Durva grass also symbolize the 3 gunas, Sattva, Rajas, Tamas, and the trifoliate nature of the grass reflects this cosmic balance. Spiritually, Durva represents the Nirguna, meaning formless principle, attracting divine frequencies, which Ganesha transforms into Saguna, meaning manifested frequencies. Through this process, Durva enhances the spiritual energy, Chaitanya, emitted from the idol, and fosters a higher level of sattvic vibrations. In Hindu philosophy, the ultimate goal is to perceive the formless or Nirguna aspect of God through the manifested or Saguna forms. In esoteric traditions, Bhagwan Sri Ganesha is associated with the Mooladhara Chakra, representing the root of spiritual and cosmic energy. Ganesha's essence embodies the union of Prakriti, meaning nature, and Purush, consciousness, reflecting the interconnectedness of all creation. The concept of meaning Aham, self-consciousness, is central to understanding Ganesha's role in the universe. Far from being limited to ego or greed, Aham signifies the essence of life and consciousness present in all beings. When this me consciousness is understood in its proper context, it leads to self-realization and liberation or moksha. Ganesha, as the primordial deity and the embodiment of Mahat, cosmic intelligence, bridges the gap between the visible, Vyakt, and invisible, Avyakt aspects of existence. In meditative terms, This understanding paves the way to experience the eternal light of Parabrahm, transcending form and attributes. This profound connection between man, nature, and the divine highlights why Durva, as a symbolic offering, plays a pivotal role in worshipping Ganesha. Shubham Bhavtu.
That is all for today. If you liked the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit, God bless you.